In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated reminders in Monday.com. We'll start on your Monday.com homepage. From here, you're just a few clicks away from building reminders that keep your team informed without manual follow-ups. First, open the Workspaces panel so you can find the place where your board lives. Choose the workspace that contains the board you want to automate. This helps keep everything organized, especially if your account has multiple teams or projects. Next, open the specific board where you want reminders to run. This is important because automations are board specific. Ideally, your board already has a date column and a status column, since those are the triggers we'll use for notifications. If you're not sure which board to pick, choose the one where tasks are actively tracked by your team. At the top of the board, click Automate. This opens the Automation Center where you can build powerful workflows in a few seconds. You'll notice a search bar at the top. If you already know what you're looking for, type keywords like notify, date, or status to quickly find a ready-made recipe. Searching is the fastest route when you have a specific reminder in mind. If you prefer to explore, browse the categories on the left. Categories group recipes by common needs so you can discover options you might not have considered. Click the dates category to build time-based reminders. Look for the recipe that says something like, when date arrives, notify someone. This is perfect for deadline nudges or same-day check-ins. Use it when you want an automatic ping on the due date or leading up to it to keep owners accountable. Now switch to the communication category. Here, choose the recipe that says, when status changes to something, notify someone. This one is great for handoffs, like alerting a manager when an item moves to stuck or notifying stakeholders when something becomes done. When you found the recipe you want, click Use Template. Monday will prompt you to tailor it to your board. You'll choose the specific date or status column, define the exact value that should trigger the alert, pick who should be notified, and customize the message they'll receive. Keep your message short, clear, and action-oriented. If your board uses a people column, consider notifying the item owner so reminders always go to the right person. You can repeat this process for both the date-based and status change recipes so you have proactive reminders and event-driven alerts working together. And that's it. You've set up automated reminders that reduce manual chasing, keep everyone aligned, and make your board work smarter for you.